Yeah, so welcome to Rich Minded Skills, home opportunity. And now I just want to show you this detail here called the indicator called the Rich Boss indicator for MT4. And this indicator is just working in different pairs, like it works in forex pairs like EURUSD, GBPUSD, USDJPY, USDCAD, or cryptos, Bitcoin, CPDs, okay, like DAX, US 500, and also metals like gold, CRYPO, and always it is best when you use in 1 hour time frame. So for any case, I just want to show you to these people, any person don't know how to install the robot. When you meet the robot, or you have a robot, but to this who knows how to do it, I think you know. But just do it, just simple. You just go here to this tab here. You just go to this tab here, right? And then you install the indicator, right? You just chap, then you come here, you right click, you open the folder, then you go to, you paste the robot here. After you copy it your PC, then you copy it here, right? Yeah, then after you copy it like this one, you just come here and paste it here. And then because it is inside, so now I will just only replace like that one, and it is done. So after that, we just cancel this, and I will refresh this, then after refreshing this one, and then everything will be good, right? I will come here and refresh this one, right? So after I refresh that, then everything is going to be in the way, right? Yeah, so after that, it means that you can just see how this indicator is. Yeah, so if you also have this indicator, it will just show you all the buys, the big short, the sell, or how whatever. So as you can see, so let me just do it slow like this one, or and just maximize it like this one. So I think you can see each and every time. And then after you get the entry point, immediately you get the entry and you'll be indicated to go, and when you have to go. Then after you put it inside, let's say for instance I can just remove this pair, then I just come and just take a pair, right? I just come and take a pair of this one, a crypto pair, right? A crypto pair like this one, and I remove this grid, and then I come and I select I just come to the indicator, which is this one. I come and I drag it this way, Rich Boss indicator. I come there, I just allow the algo trading. I just go to the input. I see I can just show, but it is just, you can just leave it like that one. I use swap, commission, show panel, weekly levels, display parameters, alarm notification. You can just say yeah, you just need the alarm notification true, alarm chat, alarm email no, alarm signals true, okay, alarm notification. So that's it. Then you can just come in colors also. You can just this way, that's how you, and then the whole time frame. But the time frame we want to use is one, you can just say 1 hour, but if you don't, you can just say that is it. So you can just come, okay, and place it like that, and it will be seen, looks like this one. So after it looks like this one, it means that you have to wait and check about what are you going to be inside there. So you can just use it manual. After you get the signal, you just go inside and you make a mount when it is just like the way, right? So from this time, we just place the cell. I place the cells because it is just on buy. As we see, the last one, it was just showing the buys, but the color of this chart is just on ranging market. So but I just place cells just in order to show you, but because I do not enter in the specific area like this one. I don't enter in the specific area like this point here. or this point here, I don't enter that point. So that's why I just wanted to show you that the point, the real point that you have to join, you have to be in the market to wait. How you see each and everything, you have to wait until you see the signals are okay with you. It is when you are going to, you have to enter the market. So it means then when you enter the market at the real point, at the main point, and it is non-repent, it doesn't repent, so it will just help you to have a good trade, or to have to make money. So it is just a matter that you have to wait, and you have to be there waiting for how it will be. Check how everything will just come there, right? So as you can understand how you can make this amount of money to be in you, right? Then after that it will, so it means that, and the good time to trade for this, it is better you trade in a volatile or trending market, no ranging market like this one. So it is better you trade in a not in a ranging market like this one. As you can see, it is just a ranging market. But if you could trade in a trending market like this, a trending market like this one, a trending market like this. So a trading market is just helping you nicely, because it will just, you will just go fast than waiting for the ranging. The ranging is not good for me, but I just like the trending market, like I can say a New York session or London session. Like I just like some session like that. So even you, I can just advise you to go in a such way. Yeah. So and then this is a job. So when you have everything, then what you have to do, you have to make sure that you get a sniper entry. It is when you, if you don't see a sniper entry when you are using this type of indicator, don't join that game. Be sure for what you see that, okay, I've a big given, okay, buy or to go short, big short, right? It is big short or sell. I've already tell you sell. So it means this tell you to be at a big short. So it is a big short. It is just short, yeah, the chop. And this one is just call you and tell you sell, and then sells up to here. This code told to buy, it buys up to here. This told to buy, then it's told to buy from this point, then it buys, buy up to this, then sell, then here, from here told to sell, then from here told to buy, then from here told to big short, then comes then also comes on going on up to the point. The point also comes again, right? So after this one does again this way, then called sell here, then sell up to here, then still buys, right? So but this one is just ranging, it's so complicated, so it will not. So I just wanted to show you, but still you can see it is just on profit, but I just wanted to show you this for your so as you can understand something. If you meet this indicator or you want this indicator, you can just come to the inbox, then you can get the indicator. Don't worry, you can get the indicator. Yeah. So and also make sure you join our Telegram channel. You join our you can just go to description and you will find each and every point of our daily basis and all updates. Thank you for watching this. This is Rich Minded Skills Home of Opportunity. Thank you for watching for us.